Make up to $800 a month just by downloading images? Yes, it's real, and it's easier than you think. Imagine turning a few minutes of your time into a steady stream of income, all from the comfort of your home. No special skills, no expensive equipment, just you, a computer, and a simple strategy that anyone can follow. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online by downloading AI-generated images and turning them into cash. This method is brand new, super easy, and perfect for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert or have any special knowledge. All you need is access to a couple of free tools, a bit of creativity, and the willingness to follow a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making money online with AI images. So keep watching if you're ready to learn how to earn up to $800 a month with this amazing method. Generating image prompts with Chat GPT. The first step in this method is generating image prompts using Chat GPT. If you're not familiar with Chat GPT, it's an AI that can help you create all sorts of content, from writing articles to generating creative ideas. But here's the twist. We're going to use it to create image prompts that will be turned into money-making images. Here's how it works. Once you've logged into Chat GPT, you'll type in a request like, "Create 5 funny stories." You can get creative here. Ask for a funny story, a dramatic scene, or even a lesson-teaching moment. The AI will then generate a story. From there, choose the topic you like best and ask to generate a prompt image on each sentence. It represents a scene or a moment in the story that can be turned into an image. For example, you might get a story about Tom, who is known to be a heavy sleeper. Each part of this story will be the basis for an image. You can ask ChatGPT to generate different stories until you find one that you like. Once you've got your story prompt, you're ready to move on to the next step, creating the actual images, creating characters and scenes with AI. Now it's time to bring them to life by creating characters and scenes with AI. We're going to use an AI image generator to do this, and the best part is, you don't need any artistic skills. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Start by heading over to an AI image generation website, like Leonardo AI. This website allows you to create consistent characters across different scenes, which is crucial for telling a cohesive story. After signing up for a free account, go to the image creation section. You'll see a prompt box where you can enter the first part of your story that ChatGPT created. Copy and paste the first bullet point into the prompt box and let the AI work its magic. It will generate an image based on the description you provided. If your first scene involves a young man sleeping, the AI will create an image of that scene, complete with all the details you need. Once the first image is ready, you can move on to the next scene. But here's a tip. Make sure you tell the AI to use the same character across all images. This way, your story will look consistent, and your characters will remain the same throughout the entire series of images. Just repeat the process for each bullet point from your story, prompt, until you have a full set of images. With your characters and scenes ready, you now have everything you need to turn these images into a video, which we'll cover in the next section. Compiling images into a video using Canva. Now that you've got all your images ready, it's time to compile them into a video. Don't worry, this part is super simple, thanks to Canva. Canva is a free, user-friendly tool that lets you create videos even if you've never edited one before. First, go to Canva's website and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, select the video option from the dashboard. You'll see a blank canvas where you can start building your video. Begin by uploading all the images you created with the AI. Just drag and drop them into Canva and they'll appear on the side panel. From here, you can start arranging them in order by dragging them onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To make your video more engaging, you can add text over each image to explain what's happening in the scene. Canva also has a library of music tracks you can use for free, so you can add a background tune to your video. Once you've placed all your images in the correct order, added text, and chosen a music track, preview your video to make sure everything looks good. If you're happy with it, click the download button and your video will be saved to your computer, uploading and optimizing your video on YouTube. With your video now complete, the next step is to upload it to YouTube and optimize it so more people can find it. Start by logging into your YouTube account and clicking the Upload Videos button. Choose the video file you just created in Canva and wait for it to upload. While it's uploading, you'll need to fill out some important details. Start with a catchy title that grabs attention, something like "The Uninvited Guest, Funny AI Story." Next, write a brief description that explains what your video is about. Make sure to include keywords like AI story and funny story to help people find your video when they search. Don't forget to add tags. These are like keywords that help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use tags like AI art, AI story, and funny story. Finally, choose a thumbnail that stands out. Canva can help you create a custom thumbnail if you want something eye-catching. Once everything's set, hit publish, and your video will be live for the world to see. Now, all that's left is to share your video and watch the views, and hopefully the earnings roll in, monetizing your video and earning commissions. Now that your video is up on YouTube, let's talk about how you can start making money from it. The first way to earn is through YouTube's partner program. To join, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Once you're in, YouTube will start showing ads on your videos and you'll earn a share of the ad revenue. This can add up quickly, especially if your video gets a lot of views. But that's not all. You can also add affiliate links in your video description. For example, if you used any paid tools or services to create your AI images, you could include affiliate links to those tools. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a simple way to boost your earnings without any extra effort. To increase your chances of earning, promote your video on social media, in forums, or even by collaborating with other YouTubers. The more people who see your video, the more potential you have to earn. Let me give you a quick example of what's possible with this method. There are channels out there that started with 0 subscribers and are now making thousands of dollars a month. For instance, this channel, AI Kids Songs, focused on AI-generated art and grew to 10,000 subscribers in just a few months. Their channel not only grew in subscribers, but also brought in a steady stream of income. So this example just shows you that with some effort and consistency, you can achieve similar results. And there you have it, a simple way to make $800 a month by downloading and using AI images. If you're serious about making money online, this method is definitely worth trying. I really hope you enjoyed our journey today into making money from the comfort of your home. Now don't miss out. There's a video right here on your screen, specially picked for you. It's packed with fresh, effective ideas for multiplying your online income. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Click and see for yourself.